The Poco M3 Pro 5G. My unboxing, first impressions, after my intro. Welcome everybody, I'm Zilla. I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing this little beast. Well, it's not that small, it's a big boy, but it's the Poco M3 Pro 5G by Xiaomi. They sent this out to me, and I've also been sent the Redmi Note 10 5G. So, if you want to see this being unboxed later on, I'll leave a link at the end of this video so you can check this one out. And in that video, I'll compare both phones side by side, so you get an idea of what they look like. Anyway, so typical Poco packaging. Let's have a look here. This is 6 GB of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. It's a dual SIM. This is the European model. Both this and the Redmi cost around £170. It does fluctuate. This one's in the power black color. There is a yellow and I think a blue, but don't quote me on that. But dual SIM, dual 5G. So let's crack the box open. I haven't done this for ages. And boom. And we greet with more canary yellow. So let's check what's in here. Oh, let's do in order. SIM card. Poco stickers. Let's take all this out. Poco stickers. Nice. And when you consider £170 for this, if you can hear vehicles, please ignore it. It's that time of night and I'm filming. Quick start guide. Safety information. And warranty card. And see, now I don't understand this. This is a phone that costs £170 roughly. And you get a free case and stickers. Stickers, okay, I'm not too bothered. Why can't some of the big companies, like the expensive phones, should I say, not big companies, why can't they provide a case and so on? Who knows? So, as you can see on the front there, this has the MediaTek Dimensity 700 with dual 5G. It means you can have two 5G SIMs in here at the same time, both connected to two different networks, both pulling in 5G. You've got a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus dot display at 90 Hz, 5,000 mAh battery, 48 megapixel AI triple camera. We'll have a look at that in a little bit. And, ooh, that satisfaction. And of course, we've got the sticker stuck on the back. Let's take this sucker off. And you can see all the mess I just made on the side of the desk. And there we go, sticker off. So you can see that. Nice looking phone. Let me switch this on so it speeds up this unboxing. There you go. Bit of a vibration there. So leave that to the side to power on. Make this a faster video. And of course, as I said, this is the European version. So we've got the charging cable here. USB type C to USB type A. I'm not going to unravel all that right now. And of course, in the UK, because that's where I'm based, this is obviously the global version. And the 18-watt power brick. This is the, as I said, the European version of it. And of course, you will get the correct one for your country. Not bad. When you consider an iPhone 12 Pro Max or an iPhone 12, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. So let's get this open. There we go. And voila, look at this. That's not a bad screen. Now this screen, I'm tilting it so that the light doesn't reflect too much. This screen is 6.5 inch, 90 Hz IPS LCD. It's a 20:9 aspect ratio. And it's not a bad looking screen. It's not the brightest from what I've heard. I've tried not to watch too many videos and so on, but it looks pretty good. So let's go into settings real quick. And there's some updates there. Oh, should be on silent. Security status. I haven't got any SIM cards. Obviously, this is an unboxing, so bear that in mind. Let's have a look at the display. So go schedule dark mode, more dark mode options. So let's just click on that. So adjust wallpaper to dark mode, adjust text and backgrounds automatically. Not bad. Brightness levels, reading mode. I think this screen gets from 400 to 500 nits of brightness from what I've read. And refresh rate. So at the moment, this is on 60 Hertz for battery, but it's a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, so you might as well go with the 90 Hertz. And with the MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G chip in here, battery shouldn't be an issue because it's not a power hog. So I put it on 90 Hertz now. That is nice and fluid, nice and fluid. And also, I'm not going to get into this too much. And Bluetooth, obviously lock screen, display, we've done that. Home screen, let's go to home screen. So you've got backgrounds. Let's have a look at backgrounds. So we've got light, dark system. App draw transparency, I'll leave it at 0. Icon pack, let's have a look. So that's the system one, but you can add other icon packs into it if you can get them and download them into the phone. Notification badges, let's have a look at this. You've got circle or number. Okay. Hide apps, hide app icons, double tap on, let's switch that on. Double tap on a lock screen. Come out of that. Now you have got a fingerprint sensor in here. I haven't set it up yet because I wanted to get this done. So you've got face unlock and fingerprint sensor unlock. So that, 170 quid? Come on. I'll set them up, but when I do the unboxing of the Redmi, then I'll kind of give you a little demonstration because they're very similar phones. Almost identical, really. So that's pretty good. Let's go into... No, I don't want to go into that. Sorry, guys. Additional settings. Let's go into battery and performance. Obviously, I've just switched it on. So you've got ultra battery saver, saver. So it's saying 42 hours, 54 minutes remaining time. Obviously, I have to use it more. When I do my review, I'll give you guys a better idea of how I found the battery. So, not bad at all. Let's have a look around the actual device. So that's the fingerprint sensor, volume rockers. Nice clicky action. Nice buttons. That sounds weird to say, but very nice. It's a plastic back and a plastic frame. You have got a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is lovely to see. I think that's an IR blaster up there. SIM card. Dual SIM card, but you can do one SIM card and a memory card. Bottom firing speaker, USB Type-C, microphone. Not a bad device, if I do say so myself. Camera bump, interesting one. Not that bad. When you look at the camera bump, it's pretty shallow. 48 megapixel camera, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, I believe, on there, and a dual LED flash. And on the front is a 8 megapixel selfie camera, as you can see there. Not bad. It's about 190 grams in weight. I had to look that up, believe me, my hands are not scales. The screen is Gorilla Glass 3, 18 watts fast charging. I mean, at the moment, that's all I can tell you, because it is an unboxing and first impressions. So smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon. I will be unboxing this next. I'll leave a link here somewhere for it. And I'll compare this to this. And I'll also give you a demonstration of the fingerprint sensor, face unlock, etc. So, thumbs up if you like the video. Do not thumbs down. You can, I don't care. Share it on all your social media. Helps me out to grow the channel. I haven't been around for a while. I've had health issues. Those of you who follow me on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook will know about that. If you don't, check out the description. You can hit those links and follow me on those social media platforms, because I do post a lot of stuff there that you guys don't see on my channel. So, in a few minutes, I'm going to say till next time, but in a few minutes, this coming up. Take care and peace.